Ayan po guys, hello, good morning, happy Friday. So, kumusta po ang inyong Friday morning guys? Sana okay lang po tayong lahat. So, good morning everyone, kumusta? So, samahan niyo po ako ngayong umaga na mag-ehersisyo guys. So, mga ilang araw din akong hindi naka-ehersisyo kasi palaging umuulan dito. At the same time, yung aking tindahan is tumutulo din. So, hindi ako naka-ehersisyo guys. So, ayan, good morning everyone. Happy Friday to all. Sana po okay lang po ang ating Friday guys. Maayong buntag, magandang umaga sa lahat. So, for today's video mga palangga, mag-ehersisyo na naman ako dito sa loob ng tindahan. Ayan po, pumapasok na po yung init dito guys. Good morning. Ayan, samahan nyo po akong mag-ehersisyo guys. Yan, sa katunayan po mga palangga, medyo okay na po ang ating karamdaman ngayon. Kasi kahapon guys, yung aking ulo is masakit. So ngayon, kailangan nating mag-ehersisyo. So wala pa akong agahan guys, hindi pa ako kumakain ng agahan. So ayan, shout out to all. Good morning. So mag-exercise ta guys. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So, ayan, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Apoy guys, oy, puy kay sa baga mga palangga. 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Ay, grabe mga palangga, kapuya. 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 39, 40, 41, 42, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ay, yan po guys. Tapos na po akong nag-ehersisyo. So all my viewers and subscribers, thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye. Happy Friday. So today is June 19, 2026. Bye-bye. Happy Friday guys and thank you for watching.